Say use a bar bite.
Watch back, y'all. Watch back, y'all. Watch back.
Well, here.
I'm on my own bike.
Watch back, y'all. Watch back, my boy.
Please to give me some oil. Give me some oil.
Ain't going nowhere.
The cops will let somebody get away from him with handcuffs on him. Ain't this sad and bunking? I'm recording them. I'm putting them on YouTube. I'm putting them on YouTube. Because they sad.
I'm gonna run for yesterday.
They sad. They let people get away from them. We putting them on YouTube. Bunker Police Department. It's real shit. I'm recording them. I'm putting them on YouTube. Y'all go check it out. Shit, I'm on record, man. I don't give a fuck. Shit, just because they on his end like this, man. What the fuck they want to come and stop and pull up right here for, man? Oh, lame ass shit, man. Well, I'm gonna have it on record. Just go look on YouTube. You gonna see it all. Whatever go on. I'm vlogging right now. This going viral.
Should've put that on how to do the car too. Oh my bad.
But no need to go and get you. One of the fucking gallon jugs from Fred's, dude.
I'm gonna go to Martin and one from
outside.
The 5W 20.
But it don't matter, Renee, whenever you just put it
don't matter what you
in
put
your
in that
shit.
now.
Because it's just coming out anyway.
Some...
So you need some cheap oil right now. Do you need to get some from the EZ that is cheap, man? The cheapest oil you can find right now. Who?
Man, now I get the stickies on.
My niggas Dakota, man.
Just go give me some oil. Please.
I guess I'm gonna give me some old hammers and sit on the side of the road.
Huh? Sit on the side of the road. Nigga, you got a
All right now, Pet, calm down now.
Well, now he gonna sit on the side of the road if he wants.
All this going on YouTube. Live out here tonight.
My nigga, he ain't killed me. Oh, my nigga.
I know I was thinking about
He ain't killed me. He ain't killed me on that hen dog, boy.
And they riding out clean and shit. When they riding out clean and shit, you see it? Yeah. Yeah. Everything all clean. Y'all see the police coming through, hating on us and shit. We ride 20s over here. What? It's live out here tonight, y'all.
God damn, a nigga choking y'all ain't flat nigga in the back.
Okay, I want to chuck you in my. I want to chuck you in my hand while I told you to cut the camera my way. I don't care about the police. We don't need to be on the video, guys. We're like, oh, we were just playing.
Oh, Mr. Officer, did you?
Oh yeah, they going on YouTube. I guarantee you this gonna be on YouTube tonight.
Mr. Officer, did you hear him just now?
They cutting up out here. They let people get away with handcuffs on. He's vlogging, getting it in. Well, yeah, I'm getting it all. It's gonna be on YouTube, Jeff. Go check it out, baby.
I mean, I was supposed to go home with my phone. I was supposed to go home. Hey, we can get a second conference right now, boy. What's happening?
Talk about wallet, bro.
Who?
I was about to ask you that he was walking.
My sister here.
He coming home. You gotta tell your head about that boy who did that Palmer's home. That boy said,
Yeah, Joe and Louis Ray doing. Ask him what the fuck
let me
you
tell
got.
your sister, man, she could have had this hill, and I was gonna be driving a
Ask him
motorcycle,
what happened.
and I was gonna put you in the house, but Aaron did this. Destroy that night.
Ask him what happened to his head listening to Louis Ray. I got cussed out.
Dude, Ray ain't said nothing. He be on talking.
Louis Ray had his part in it.
All the way we doing, hit the Palmer's home.
That's right. After you got through the Palmer song, at the end of the night, he had his part in it.
That man said, when you carrying y'all do this right now.
See, you telling on it, too?
All right,
I
there.
love it.
They talking.
He's trying to hear me. Some more, he has the whole news.
Over with. Man, this is
He's gonna be Channel 5. The new Channel 5.
Oh, that's just crazy, dude.
Everybody want to see right now. I love to see my guy. I love my team.
Say. I can put that Tnjt in now?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
You can put anything in there as long as it's not synthetic.
It's not synthetic.
As long as it's not synthetic. Synthetic gonna be like Mobile One.
Nah, you say nothing synthetic.
Synthetic gonna be like Mobile One. Other than that, why that ain't synthetic?
Oh, what my baby took over.
As long as it's not Mobile One.
Is it synthetic?
If it don't got Mobile One on there, it
You
ain't.
said the SAE 1030.
Well, that ain't synthetic. Get that.
Yeah, well, you see. Alright, well, get that.